If you've been curious about building your own app without learning how to code, this is going to be really exciting for you. Today, I'm showing you how to use Canva AI Code to create a fully interactive app right inside Canva. So first, what is Canva AI Code? Inside Canva, there's now a feature where you can literally describe the app you want, and Canva generates the interactive layout for you. You don't need to write HTML, CSS, or anything technical. You just need a well-structured prompt. And that's the key part, the prompt. Before you even open Canva, you want to structure your idea clearly. I always recommend using this simple 3-part framework. 1. Context. 2. Content and features. 3. Branding. Let me show you an example. Instead of saying, create a wellness app, you want to be very specific. For example, develop an interactive, mobile-friendly app called Radiant Ritual, a holistic self-care platform designed to help users create personalized wellness rituals, schedule intentional me time, and maintain consistent self-care practices. Then you clearly list the features: a personalized self-care planner that supports overall well-being, customizable morning meditation and evening bath rituals. Then you give the design direction and visual style: white background, rounded rectangle elements, color palette. The more detailed you are, the better your app will look and function. Now let's build it. Go to Canva. On the left side, click on AI Tools, then choose Code. This opens the Canva AI Code generator. Now copy your full prompt and paste it into the box. Then click the purple arrow. Give it a few minutes. Canva will generate a fully interactive, clickable app layout based on your description. And here it is, your interactive app. You can click through the pages, test the buttons, and see how everything flows. This isn't just a static design. It behaves like a real app. From here, you can customize it even more. Click on Website to publish it as a live website. You can name it, adjust colors, refine layouts, and fully brand it for yourself or for clients. This is powerful because you can create apps for your own business, offer custom app creation as a service, sell niche interactive planners or wellness apps, use it as a lead magnet or digital product. If you struggle with writing prompts or coming up with ideas, I have 100 plus ready-to-use prompts you can use for yourself or even sell to your clients. You'll find the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok for more tips about creating digital products.